Sohila.
A bedtime prayer, which is a timely reminder before one retires for the night.
Raag Gaudi Deepki Mehla Pehla.
Song of praise in Raag Gaudi Deepki by the first Guru, Guru Nanak.
Ek Oankar Satgur Prasad.
In the name of the sole supreme being, who is realized through the Guru and by his own grace.
Jai Kar Kirti Akhiye Karte Ka Hoye Bicharo.
The satsang home in which is sung the divine praise and the Lord create his greatness is expressed.
Tet Kargahvo Sohila Sevarehu Sirjanharo.
In such a home sings this Sohila, this song of praise, and through it contemplate on Lord, the creator of the universe.
Tum gaavo mere nirpau ka Sohila.
Chant this Sohila in praise of the Lord, who is above all fear.
Avari jit Sohile sada sukh hoye rahao.
May I be a sacrifice to this Sohila, the chanting of which brings everlasting joy.
Nit nit jede samalian dekhega devanhar.
God, our benefactor, always keeps us in his mind and will constantly keep looking after the needs of his creation.
Tere dane कीमत ना पवे tis दाते कमन सुमार.
O Lord, nobody can even assess the value of your gifts to mankind. What could be the limit of your handouts?
संबद साहा लिखया मिलकर पाव हो तेल.
The predestined time for my departure from this world has arrived. O my satsangi friends, gather together and anoint my forehead.
देहो सजन असीसड़ियां जियो होवे सहब स्यों मेल.
O my satsangi friends, wish me well, give me your blessings, so that I may have union with my Lord Master.
कर कर एहो पहुंचा सदड़े नित पवन.
Every day, such messages keep coming in one house or another.
सदन हारा सिमरिय नानक से देह अवन.
If man was to keep contemplating on God, he would then willingly accept and welcome the day of recall and departure.
राग आसा महला पहला.
A shabad in Rag Asa by the first Guru.
शे कार शे गुर शे उपदेश गुर गुर एको वेस अनेक.
There are 6 Shastras written by 6 different sages, and all the 6 scriptures seem to convey different messages. However, the supreme teacher is one and the same. His teaching is enshrined in various ways using different words.
बाबा जय कर करते कीर्त होए सो का राख वडाई तोए रहाओ.
O my satsangi friend, keep yourself in a temple where only Lord's praise is said.
वे सोए चसया घड़ियां पहरा थिती वारी माओ हुआ.
Seconds, minutes, hours, and quarters constitute a day, and days constitute a month.
सूरजे को रुत अनेक नान करते के केते वेस.
With the passage of months, seasons change. All the changes in seasons are caused by the same sun. Similarly, behind all the variety in creation, there is one creator. Accordingly, behind various scriptural teachings, there is only one sole supreme teacher, God himself.
राग तनासरी महला पहला.
Shabad in Rag Tanasri by the first Guru, Guru Nanak. The Shabad was composed by Guruji while giving a sermon to the king of Jagannath Puri in connection with the ritual of Aarti. Guruji explained to the king that such religious rituals are futile. What really matters is to be one with God spiritually through Simran and Bani, rather than wasting time and energy on such physical acts. Aarti is performed generally during idol worship. Several lighted clay lamps are placed on a platter, some burning incense, offerings of pearls, diamonds or money, and offering of food and flowers.
गगन में थाल रव चंद दीपक बने तारका मंडल जनक मोती.
Nanak says, O misled man, your small platter carrying clay lamps, incense, pearls, and other offerings is very insignificant as compared to Aarti already going on in nature. Look at the sky, which is such a vast platter. The sun and the moon are 2 large lamps. The stars are the diamonds and pearls being offered to God.
धूप मनान लो पवन चवरो करे सकल बंदराई फूलंत ज्योति.
The Aarti in nature has the fragrant mountain breezes. as the burning incense, the leaves and bushes moving in the wind, waving, whisk, and the entire vegetation, an offering of flowers to God.
ऐसी आरती होए पव खंडना तेरी आरती।
Oh God, look how a wonderful aarti is already going on in nature, while the misguided man is mistakenly trying to please you with his futile rituals.
अनहता शब्दवा जंत भेरी रहाओ।
The endless sounds going on in the world are like the drums being played as a part of the aarti in nature.
सहस तव नैन नन नैन है तोहे को, सहस मूर्त नन एक तोही।
Oh God, you are a spirit, a super soul, but misled man thinks of you having a physical body. He makes your statue to represent your physical form and performs a ritual called aarti in front of it to please you. You have thousands of eyes because eyes of each living being are your eyes, but in fact you have no eyes at all, as you don't have a physical form. You have thousands of physical forms, as each living being is a form of yours, but in fact you do not have a physical form at all.
सहस पद बिमलन एक पद गंध बिन, सहस तव गंध एव चलत मोही।
You have thousands of beautiful feet, and yet you have no feet at all. Similarly, it could be said that you have thousands and thousands of noses, but truly speaking, you are without a nose. I am charmed by such amazing feats of yours.
सब मैं जोत जोत है सोए, तिह दे चानन सब मैं चानन होए।
In all that exists in your light, it is due to your presence that consciousness prevails in all.
गुर साखी जोत प्रगट होए, जोत सभावै सो आरती होए।
God's light is realized within through the Guru's teaching. The true aarti or worship is one which pleases God.
हर चरण कवल मकरंद, लोभत मनो अंधनो, मोहे आही प्यासा।
Meditating on God is like sipping nectar. I am constantly attracted to contemplation. I have developed an unquenching thirst to be in a state of oneness with Him.
कृपा जल देह नानक सारंग को, होए जाते तेरे नाय वासा।
Nanak, like a chatrik bird, yearns for dewdrops, yearns for Amrit Naam.
राग गौड़ी पूर्वी महला चौथा।
A shabd in Ra Gaudi Purbi by the fourth Guru, Sri Guru Ram Das Ji.
काम क्रोध नगर बहु भरया, मिल साधु खंडल खंडा है।
Man's body and mind are overflowing with lust, wrath, and other vices. By developing a close relationship with the Guru, the 5 cardinal vices can be destroyed.
पूर्व लिखत लिखे गुर पाया, मन हरले मंडल मंडा है।
However, spiritual union with Guru is not an easy task. It is only through a spiritual intimacy with a perfect, flawless Guru that an unfaltering link with God is achieved.
कर साधु अंजलि पुन वड्डा है।
To bow with hands folded in front of a Guru is a very pious act.
कर डंडौत पुन वड्डा है रहाओ।
To lie prostrate in front of Guru in reverence is a sacred act for a devout.
साग तहारा साधना जानिया, तन अंतर हो मैं कंडा है।
A non-believer has never ever experienced the joy of being in union with God. His ego keeps him separate from God. Egoism is like a thorn in his self. Instead of spiritual joy, he always experiences pain and grief.
ज्यों ज्यों चल है चुबे दुख पावे है, जमकाल सहे सिर डंडा है।
As a non-believer progresses in life, he experiences the pricking pain of the thorn of egoism. A non-believer faces truncheon blows at the hands of the agents of death.
हर जन हर हर नाम समाने, दुख जन्म मरण भव खंडा है।
In comparison to non-believers, God devotees are absorbed in the contemplation of the divine Naam and enjoy spiritual bliss in their lifetime, and their cycle of life and death is brought to an end.
अविनाशी पुरुष पाया परमेश्वर, वो सोव खंड ब्रह्मंडा है।
The faithful attain the immortal, omnipresent, supreme Lord. They get much respect and honor at the hands of the Lord, and their fame and prestige spreads throughout the universe.
ਹਮ ਗਰੀਬ ਮਸਕੀਨ ਪ੍ਰਭ ਤੇਰੇ ਹਰ ਰਾਖ ਰਾਖ ਵੱਡ ਵੱਡਾ ਹੈ
O Lord, though poor, humble and modest, yet we are still yours and belong to you. You are great and mighty. In your greatness, please save us, save us.
ਜਨ ਨਾਨਕ ਨਾਮ ਆਧਾਰ ਟੇਕ ਹੈ ਹਰ ਨਾਮੇ ਹੀ ਸੁਖ ਮੰਡਾ ਹੈ
Naam is the support and strength for Nanak, the servant of God, and he has achieved spiritual bliss only through Naam.
ਰਾਗ ਗੌੜੀ ਪੂਰਬੀ ਮਹਿਲਾ ਪੰਜਵਾਂ
Shabad by the fifth Guru, Sri Guru Arjan, in Ragodi.
ਕਰੋ ਬੇਨੰਤੀ ਸੁਣੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਮੀਤਾ ਸੰਤ ਟਹਿਲ ਕੀ ਬੇਲਾ
O my Satsangi friends, I make an appeal to you. Pay attention to it. This lifespan is an opportunity to serve the Holy Guru through Naam recitation.
ਇਹਾਂ ਖਾਟ ਚਲੋ ਹਰ ਲਾਹਾ ਆਗੇ ਬਸਨ ਸੁਹੇਲਾ
If you will perform the service directed by the Holy Guru, you will accumulate spiritual wealth, which will bring you ease, comfort and happiness in the life hereafter.
ਔਦ ਘਟੈ ਦਿਨ ਸਰੈਣਾ ਰੇ ਮਨ ਗੁਰ ਮਿਲ ਕਾ ਸਵਾਰੇ ਰਹਾਉ
O misguided and lost man, take notice, your life is ebbing away. O myself, at least you should be alert and not waste your life. Taking guidance from the Guru, you should accomplish the purpose of your life.
ਇਹੋ ਸੰਸਾਰ ਬਕਾ ਸੰਸੇ ਮਹਿ ਤਰਿਓ ਬ੍ਰਹਮ ਗਿਆਨੀ
The entire world is caught in immorality, evil and sin, and because of this, it is in great fear of punishment. Only he who achieves divine enlightenment is saved.
ਜਿਸੇ ਜਗਾਏ ਪਿਆਵੈ ਇਹੋ ਰਸ ਆਕਥ ਕਥਾ ਤਿਨ ਜਾਨੀ
Only he whom God awakens and makes him drink the Naam Amrit can know the otherwise indescribable account of God's mystery.
ਜਾਂ ਕੋ ਆਏ ਸੋਈ ਬਿਹਾਜੋ ਹਰ ਗੁਰ ਤੇ ਮਨੇ ਬਸੇਰਾ
Try to accomplish the true purpose for which you have come into this world. It is through an accomplished Guru that Hari Naam is established in the self.
ਨਿਜ ਕਰ ਮਹਿਲ ਪਾਵੋ ਸੁਖ ਸਹਜੇ ਬਹੁਰ ਨਾ ਹੋਏ ਗੋ ਫੇਰਾ
Through Naam, you achieve Sahajavastha and relish the serene joy by lodging yourself in the mother self, which is your ultimate home of yourself. When your self finds abode in the mother self, there is no more transmigration for you.
ਅੰਤਰ ਜਾਮੀ ਪੁਰਖ ਬਦਾਤੇ ਸਰਦਾ ਮਨ ਕੀ ਪੂਰੇ ਨਾਨਕ ਦਾਸ ਇਹ ਸੁਖ ਮੰਗੈ ਮੋਕੋ ਕਰ ਸੰਤਨ ਕੀ ਤੂਰੇ
O Lord, the one who understands our inner self, prevalent in every being, the creator of all, please fulfill one desire of mine. Nanak, your servant, desires the same bliss as described in this Shabad.
ਅੰਤਰ ਜਾਮੀ ਪੁਰਖ ਬਦਾਤੇ ਸਰਦਾ ਮਨ ਕੀ ਪੂਰੇ ਨਾਨਕ ਦਾਸ ਇਹ ਸੁਖ ਮੰਗੈ ਮੋਕੋ ਕਰ ਸੰਤਨ ਕੀ ਤੂਰੇ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ
Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.